Hey, ever seen some super helpful text in a photo and wished you could just copy and paste it? Yeah, me too. Well, guess what? You can do it. No apps, no installs, nothing fancy, just your browser. Let me show you how. All right, step 1. Grab the image you want to extract the text from. For this example, I'm using a screenshot of a ChatGPT prompt. It's got a chunk of text I want to copy. Next, open up your browser. You can use anything, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, but personally, I'm a Chrome kind of person. Then head over to any image to text converter site. There are tons out there. I'll drop the one I'm using in the description to save you the trouble. Once you're on the site, upload your image. Just find it in your gallery or downloads, and boom, upload it. Now hit that convert button. If it throws a CAPTCHA your way, yeah, those select all traffic lights kind of things, just breeze through that. Give it a few seconds to do its magic. And done. You'll see the extracted text right there, on the screen. From here, you can copy the text, paste it into your Notes app, or even download it if that's an option on the site. So there you go. 0 apps, just your browser, and now you're basically a text extracting ninja. If you found this helpful, give it a like and maybe share it with someone who screenshots everything. Catch you in the next one.